So what is titration? It's the carefully managed process of starting a new medication. We begin with a low dose and gradually adjust it over several weeks. The goal is to find the optimal dose, the one that gives you the most benefit with the fewest side effects. This journey is unique to every person, but most of our clients find the ideal dose within 4 to 6 appointments. Your clinician will be your guide throughout, letting you know when you are fully titrated and stable on your new medication. To provide certainty and peace of mind, we've created a titration package. It's designed to cover your entire titration journey for a single fixed cost. The package includes your initial consultation, up to 5 follow-up reviews, and all 6 prescriptions, including delivery at your home or pharmacy if you need it. Getting started is straightforward. First of all, you arrange the payment package up front. This secures your block of appointments. Your first appointment will be with one of our highly experienced prescribers, which could include a psychiatrist or advanced practice pharmacist. This session is 60 minutes, giving us ample time to understand your needs. After that, you have the flexibility of up to 5 more 30-minute review appointments available to you anytime over the next 6 months. Why book this package? Firstly, it offers peace of mind. All your appointments and prescriptions for the titration process are covered. Secondly, it's cost effective, saving you a significant amount compared to paying for each appointment individually. And finally, it gives you the flexibility to book a review when you need it the most. Full prepayment is required to book the package, and for added flexibility, you can choose to spread the cost using Klarna. The package costs £795 if you are diagnosed within the Edinburgh Practice, or £895 if you're bringing a diagnosis from another provider, offering a considerable saving on the pay-as-you-go fees. I think with our wealth of experienced clinicians, we have the skills to engage and form a therapeutic relationship with the client, which puts them more at ease to engage. Once you're on a stable dose, your reviews will become less frequent. We're here to support you every step of the way. To get started or to ask any questions, please feel free to get in touch with our team. We look forward to helping you.